Imagine a nation where safety thrives not through armed force, but through profound trust and community bonds. This is the remarkable story of Iceland, a country that redefines what it means to be secure.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Cael, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Welcome to Iceland, a country consistently ranked among the safest on Earth, where police officers rarely carry firearms. This Nordic island nation, with a population of just under 400,000, presents a unique paradox. Despite minimal armed policing, Iceland boasts exceptionally low crime rates, a testament to its distinctive societal structure. The last time an Icelandic officer discharged a firearm resulting in a fatality was over a decade ago, in 2013. This extraordinary record highlights a profound difference in how safety is conceived and maintained. It's a place where fear of violence is almost non-existent, and trust forms the bedrock of public order. Iceland's policing philosophy, known as Lögreglan, emphasizes de-escalation, empathy, and deep integration within the community. Officers prioritize conversation and understanding, fostering a close relationship with the public. They are seen as protectors and community members, not just enforcers, building mutual trust rather than fear. This approach ensures officers are part of the community they serve, not a force standing above it. This community-oriented policing means officers are more likely to assist with a lost item or a minor incident than to confront a serious criminal with a weapon. Their role is often one of support and guidance. The absence of routine arming is a cornerstone of their strategy, with firearms typically stored securely in patrol cars. These weapons are accessible only with permission from a ranking officer, underscoring a cautious approach. This practice stems from the belief that arming police could inadvertently escalate situations, a stark contrast to many other nations. It reflects a deep-seated cultural preference for nonviolence and de-escalation. However, for extreme situations, Iceland does maintain a specialized tactical unit, the Viking Squad or Vikingasveitin. This unit is equipped and trained for armed responses and counter-terrorism operations. The Viking Squad steps in carefully and rarely, only when absolutely necessary, supporting local police forces and protecting important installations. They are the last resort in a system built on peace. So, what are the underlying sociological factors contributing to Iceland's remarkable safety and unique policing model? Let's delve into the science behind this peaceful society. First, social cohesion plays a crucial role. Iceland's small, educated, and economically balanced population fosters high levels of trust and minimal social inequality. This creates a strong sense of community. This collective efficacy, where a community shares moral values and looks out for one another, naturally leads to a significant decline in crime. People trust each other and their institutions, forming a powerful barrier against criminal activity. Second, Iceland's robust investment in education and welfare ensures access to healthcare, education, and strong support networks for all citizens. This comprehensive social safety net is a key preventative measure. This reduces desperation and minimizes the motivations that often drive criminal activity, such as poverty or lack of opportunity. When basic needs are met, the incentive for crime diminishes. Third, the police are trained as peacemakers, resolving conflicts through empathy and mediation rather than intimidation. They approach situations as mediators, helping to de-escalate tensions and maintain peace. This cultural factor, combined with a nearly homogeneous population, contributes significantly to the low crime rate. Iceland's egalitarian culture emphasizes rehabilitation over punishment. Despite the unarmed police, Iceland has a relatively high rate of gun ownership, primarily for hunting and sports shooting. However, gun ownership is strictly regulated, requiring rigorous background checks and safety training. This ensures responsible use, and despite the prevalence of guns, gun violence is remarkably rare due to cultural attitudes toward firearms. Handguns, for instance, are heavily restricted. Trust in the police is exceptionally high in Iceland, often ranking them among the most trusted professions alongside teachers and nurses. This trust is fostered by their community-oriented approach. Their engaging social media presence further cultivates this connection, featuring wholesome interactions with the community, from snow rescues to helping local animals. It humanizes the force. Iceland's secret isn't perfection, but a delicate balance of freedom with responsibility and independence with care. This unique blend creates a society where mutual respect is paramount. The result is a society where police trust the people, and the people, in turn, trust the police, leading to an incredibly low homicide rate of 0.3 per 100,000. This is a model for the world. Ultimately, safety in Iceland is not about weapons. It's about fostering strong, positive relationships within the community and prioritizing social welfare. It's a lesson in collective well-being. Iceland reminds us that peace is nurtured, not enforced, and when communities care for each other, safety naturally follows. Perhaps the world has much to learn from this island of trust.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.